If you have less than $1,000 saved, this video could change your life. Being broke isn't just a money problem, it's a system problem.
No, it's leaking everywhere! Stop, that's all my money! Ah, it's getting worse!
Meet John. He works hard, but every month his balance goes to zero. Most people think they need to earn more. The real problem is no system.
All right, coffee break's over. So many sales, I need to buy everything! Ah, so many notifications! Whoa, what's going on?
John asked, "How do I stop money from disappearing?" I have a plan. Lesson 1. Pay yourself first. Lesson 2. Wait 24 hours before buying. Lesson 3. Track one number, daily spending. Lesson 4. Build your first $1,000 emergency fund. Small wins change how you see yourself. Start small, stay consistent. Control comes first. If this helped you, subscribe to Fin Moneymaker for simple money lessons.